These are practical life hacks I only discovered halfway through my life. 1. Cross 2 hangers when hanging clothes. No matter how windy it gets, the clothes won't fly away. 2. Pouring a large bottle of drink like this always spills. Simply flip the bottle to pour. See? Not a single drop spills. 3. Attach a mask to the back of a hairdryer. Then attach a cut plastic bottle. Turn on the hairdryer. Dust in window cracks gets instantly blown away. 4. Don't want to bring large bottles of body wash when traveling? Cut off the paper wrap from disposable gloves. Fill each with 2 pumps of body wash. A few packets are enough for your trip. Very practical. 5. Don't throw away empty milk cartons. Use them to store meat. 1 carton holds just enough for 1 meal. Milk cartons have an aluminum titanium coating. It has antibacterial and preservative properties. Secure it with a clip and store it in the fridge. It's both economical and eco-friendly. 6. No vacuum sealer at home? No problem. Place the bag in water like shown in the video. Leave a small opening. Use water pressure to gradually seal it tight. Perfect. 7. I bet 99% of people open cans by pulling the tab directly. Instead, pull the tab to create a small hole. Then twist the tab around. It opens easily without hurting your hands. 8. Got oil stains on your clothes while eating? Sprinkle a little salt on it. Salt helps set colors. Add white vinegar and dish soap. Gently rub for 2 minutes. Wash as usual, and it'll be clean. 9. Burnt pan bottom? Don't panic. Add salt, baking soda, and white vinegar to the pan. Then add some Sprite and dish soap. Fill with water and boil. After a few minutes, the burnt residue will come off. Clean it up, and your pan will be good as new. Follow me for more life hacks.